Meg says, do you have any thoughts on OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder? Yeah, so all these things like ADD, OCD, bipolar identity disorder, and neurodivergent brain people, and even autistic people and stuff like that, all of these things I can explain through human design. So in human design you can see mechanically which energies inside you are more prevalent and less prevalent. So for example, in human design I have an open head, which means that I can more easily see things from many different viewpoints rather than somebody that has a defined head. It's not better or worse, it's just different. So a person with a defined head is like they have a hub of, it's not so easy to manipulate them because they have a very, very specific way of thinking about things, and they are very hard to crack mentally. And then you have people with open heads, which are like receivers, like sponges, like, oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that? I want to look at that. I want to look at that. So that can be ADD versus OCD. Maybe ADD is a person that can it's very difficult for them to focus on one thing at a time. And then OCD is a person that's very attentive to detail. They're very strategic, very structured. So all these things are nuances in human design. You can be more strategic or more flowy in your mind. You can be more, there's a lot of these things that are labeled as diseases, sicknesses, disorders in humans, which are just different superpowers. I call those things superpowers. Like OCD can be a superpower if you are put in an environment where it's useful. ADD can be a superpower if you are put in an environment where it's useful.